Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate Amazon Prime Video on your Samsung Smart TV and link it to your account, follow these step-by-step instructions for seamless streaming. Step 1. Turn on your Samsung Smart TV and press the Smart Hub button on your remote control. Step 2. Navigate to the Apps section and search for Amazon Prime Video in the App Store. Step 3. Download and install the Amazon Prime Video app on your Samsung Smart TV. Step 4. Open the Prime Video app once installation is complete. An activation code will appear on your TV screen. Step 5. Using a computer or mobile device, visit the Amazon activation website at amazon.com, MITV, or primevideo.com, MITV. Step 6. Log in with your Amazon account credentials that have an active Prime membership. Step 7. Enter the activation code displayed on your TV screen into the website and click Register Device. Step 8. Return to your Samsung Smart TV and the Prime Video app will automatically refresh, giving you full access to all Prime Video content linked to your account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.